Welcome to this lesson on formal versus informal vocabulary. In English, the words we choose depend on who we're talking to and where we are. Some situations need formal language, while others need informal language. Understanding when to use each one is an important skill for communication. Register is the level of formality in language. It's like having different ways to speak. The register you choose depends on your situation and your audience. There are two main types of register in English: formal and informal. Knowing the difference helps you communicate better in any situation. Formal language is used in professional settings, academic writing, and official communication. You use formal language when you're speaking to your boss, writing a business email, or attending a formal meeting. Informal language, on the other hand, is used with friends, family, and in casual conversations. You use informal language in text messages, casual emails, and everyday chat. The context you're in determines which words you should choose. Let's look at some vocabulary examples. In formal English, we use words like assist instead of help, commence instead of start, and residence instead of house. In informal English, we might say kids instead of children, stuff instead of things, and wanna instead of want to. These words have the same meaning, but they belong to different registers. Same meaning, different level of formality. Greetings and closings are very important for showing formality. In formal writing, you might begin with dear sir or madam and end with yours sincerely or best regards. In informal communication, you might say hi there and end with cheers or take care. The way you greet and close your message shows respect and matches the tone of your relationship with the other person. The way you ask for help also changes with formality. In formal situations, you might say, "Could you assist me?" or "I would appreciate your help." You might even ask, "May I request your assistance?" In informal situations, you simply say, "Can you help me out," or "Give me a hand." The politeness level changes depending on who you are talking to and the situation you are in. When sharing opinions, formal English uses phrases like "I believe that," "in my opinion," or "I concur with." Informal English is more direct. You might say "I think," use the abbreviation IMO, or just say "yeah, totally." Each register has its place. Choose your words based on your audience and context to communicate effectively. Here are the key tips to remember. First, know your audience. Second, match your words to the situation. Third, practice using both formal and informal registers. And finally, remember that context is everything. By mastering vocabulary choice, you will communicate better in all situations, whether formal or informal. Practice these skills regularly to become a confident English speaker.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.